Hey, good evening, everyone. This is your boy Vernus, aka Hollywood the Trade King, and today I'm going to be discussing with you the Agimat FX Pro system. Now I'm sorry, it's a little later in the evening. I was supposed to have been doing this video earlier today. I'm actually in Vegas. I'm out of town right now. Actually here in Vegas on vacation. So I kind of had to get a few things squared away, or else, I would have put in a few trades in this video. But I do want to say that this system here is 90% accurate. I did put in a few trades in the system, and it went my way. I've been testing it for a couple weeks now, and it has really blessed my life. So I'm gonna show you a few things I look for when I look at the Agimat system. Okay, so what I look for is a yellow box with the black arrow inside of it. Right here. This is letting me know that there is going to be a reversal in the market. Right? And that's exactly what happened. It went bearish on me. Right? So these white arrows here it tells me when to jump into a trade. Now I do not jump into a trade until I see this little yellow hairline go underneath the candle when it's going into a bearish trend. So basically what I do, I'll jump in right here on the first candle after the white arrow. This down here is the Maxwell equation. I do pay a lot of attention to this. It's a future prediction indicator. I call this the shark fin here. So this letting me know that this trend is about to go into a sell. Look at that. Even let's say if these candles wasn't even here. Let's say the bearish candles wasn't even here. This Maxwell equation still would have been here letting me know that it's about to go into a sell. So yeah, I would jump into a trade right there. So I look for the yellow box with the black arrow, the white arrow letting me know to jump into the trade, the hairline going underneath the candle, and I look at the Maxwell future prediction. Another thing I want to show you here. Show you how this works here. Let's look at another pair real quick. I want to find a really good one. Oh, this here is an alert. You can actually be like cleaning up the house or helping your child with homework, or you're doing anything, and the system will actually alert you and let you know when to jump into a trade. It actually say buy or sell. So that's always a good tool. I don't know any other systems that offer that. So check this out here. Wow, this is actually a good one. So you got the confirmation of the reversal in the market. You have the white arrow letting you know to jump into the trade. Then you have the hairline here. So I would come in right here and look what it's doing. See this little point here? That's another confirmation. It's going into a bearish trend. Look at that. Wow. Still going. And after that, it's definitely going to go into a buy. So I love about the future prediction. It tells you everything here. Another thing I do want to point out to you here. Let's look at another time frame here. Let's look at the hour. Look at the hour here. Okay. So these black lines here, these are support and resistance already built into the system for you. Already built in. I mean, you can throw in any pair And the support and resistance is already there for you. Look at that. Nobody's doing that. Nobody's doing that. Look at that. Nobody's doing that. Okay. Anyways, I want to show you a few more things. Okay. So these yellow boxes that do not have a black arrow in it, all these are just pullbacks, right? So I wouldn't necessarily jump into those unless I'm already into a trade. I'll just come in on the pullbacks. Another thing I do like to look at is you do want to look at the day chart, see where the trend is going. It's always best to trade trades in the direction that the trend is going for longer trades. So higher time frames, longer trades, more pips. And I always remember shorter time frame, or smaller time frames, smaller pips. So I always remember that. You go on the 1 minute chart, you want to get you about 3 or 4 pips, pips and dip. But you do on the higher time frames, those going to be your longer trades. You get more pips that way. All right, so I think that's all I have. We'll look at one more pair and we'll be done. Oh wow, this is a nice downtrend there. Nice. Wow. What I'm looking for is good entries. If you don't see a good entry, don't even go for it. You want the market to come to you, so you have to be very patient. Very patient. Oh, this would have been perfect here. Which way is it going here? I don't know what that's doing there. Anyway, where were we at the hour? Where were we at? Okay, so I would have came in here on the second arrow. I already got my confirmation here that it's about to reverse. I got the white arrow letting me know to go ahead and jump into the trade. This Maxwell, this hairline is already underneath the candle here. I mean, above the candlestick here. So that means I'm jumping into the trade right here. And I'm riding it all the way down. Boom, 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 right there. How many pips would that have been if I started it? Let's say I started here. How many pips would I have caught? Let's say it hit my support line here. This is just another support line here. Actually, that's like a zone. Those little dotted lines. All the way here is your support line here. So I want to call 81 pips right there. 81 pips, y'all. 81 pips. If I came out right here. Yeah, I would have actually rolled the trend down until I seen this one here, the reversal. As soon as I see this here, I'm like, oh, okay, it's about to go back up. So let me get up out of it. Let me get out the trade. I'd already caught 81 pips. So I get out of it. And I come back into the trade as a buy. That's all right. I want to buy it now. That's why you see some people. See, with this system here, you can actually buy and sell in the same trade. No problem at all. No problem. I would have came in right here with a buy. Probably would have caught it right here. Jumped out the trade when I seen that first red candle. Actually, you already know because you have this future prediction here. You already know what the trend is going to do. Well, let me see how many pips that would have been. It might not have been worth it to jump in right here. Took it here to. Again, y'all, we're on the hour chart, so That's 38 pips. Yeah, I guess that would have been cool. Would have been real cool. Yeah, that would have been cool, y'all. Jump in right down the bar. Okay, so, oh yeah, and this here, Maxwell equation. You already know what's going on. That's all I have, though. I did attach a download link. It should be underneath this video. This system, it does cost. It is a fee for the system. It's very much worth it. I promise you, it will bless your life. And if you have any questions about this system, you can feel free to email me, hollywoodthetradeking@gmail.com. But once you download this system, you will receive a download link. You will receive a download link. You have to have a laptop or a desktop computer. You cannot download it to your mobile phone or anything like that. Your Android device or Apple, you cannot download it there. So you will receive a download link to download it. You can download it to either a demo account and a live account. You can only do 2 downloads. You can't do more than 2. And it will come with an instructional video on how to download it, and I also will go over how the system works, just like I did here. Same exact thing. So that is all I have. If you have any questions, feel free to email me. Hit me up in our little chat, Telegram group, FX Connections. Hit me up there. All right. Yeah. Peace.